I want to share with you both a blessing that was given to Ash and I on our wedding day, and it's just that I hope that the both of you continue to love each other just as much as you do today. I love you both.
Congratulations.
Yeah, all right.
For you?
I just want to say I love you guys like family, and I just hope that today is very special for you, and I cannot wait to just spend more time with you throughout the years, and I just hope it's all such a lovely, like, wonderful time today.
I just want to wish them a beautiful day, and I hope they enjoy every minute. It's so special, and I'm so glad to be here with them.
Yeah, I love them both. Congratulations.
Congratulations, and have lots of fun, and don't get too drunk. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water. I want to say to y'all, thank you so much for just being such an excellent example of love and respect, and I'm so happy to share this day with y'all.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You need a haircut.
I couldn't be happier. Amanda's a gem, and she's just wonderful. So is the family and the friends and everyone involved. But I'm excited. I'm very excited.
I am so happy for you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys walk down the aisle, and I'm so excited to celebrate with you tonight.
Look at these two handsome fellas over here. How you guys doing?
Doing great.
You're on camera. Okay, the camera does add 10 pounds.
Can't really dance, but you make me move. Feet on the ground, on the move. You're fine wine, you're Cabernet.
It is with great joy that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Please begin your marriage with the most recognized expression of love. That kiss your beautiful bride.
Stole my heart and I won't forget. With my hands on your hips, they start to sail like ships that bring me closer, closer to your lips.